Hello dear students, how are you all? But I hope you all are doing great and you all are fine and healthy. So bachcho, welcome back to your science class. In today's class, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is food and homes of animals. So bachcho, we have to learn about animals need food, animals need homes. So now bachcho, look at the pictures and answer the following questions. Tick the animals which live on trees. We have to tick on those animals that can live on the tree. So bachcho, monkeys live on trees. Bachcho, owl, it also lives on trees. And then we have squirrel, it lives on trees. Which of these animals can see at night? So bachcho, owl, it can see at night. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? And bachcho, who's the king of the jungle? Bachcho, lion is the king of the jungle. Then we have animals need food. Have you ever wondered what different animals eat? बच्चों, क्या हमने कभी ये सोचा है कि animals क्या खाते हैं? Just like us, animals also need food to survive. But did you know that different animals eat different types of food? बच्चों, हमारी तरह से animals को भी क्या चाहिए होता है? खाना चाहिए होता है, but हर animal को different तरीके का खाना चाहिए होता है. Some animals are plant lovers and munch on grass and leaves. बच्चों, कुछ एनिमल्स को क्या होता है, ग्रास पसंद होती है एंड वो ग्रास ही खाते हैं. एंड इन तरीके के एनिमल्स को वी कॉल एज हर्बीवोर्स. एग्जांपल्स, cows, goats, sheep and horses, they all are herbivores. Some animals are grain crunchers and snack on nuts and seeds. We call them granivores. So बच्चों, कुछ एनिमल्स को ग्रेन्स बहुत ज्यादा पसंद होते हैं एंड इन एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रैनिवोर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्विरल्स, हेन्स, पिजन्स एंड रैबिट्स, दे आर ग्रैनिवोर्स. Now बच्चों, but wait, what about animals that hunt and eat other animals? बच्चों, ऐसे एनिमल्स जो कि क्या करते हैं, दूसरे एनिमल्स को हंट करके खाते हैं, उन एनिमल्स को वी कॉल कार्निवोर्स. एग्जाम्पल, लायंस, फॉक्सेस, किंगफिशर्स, ईगल्स, ये सब किसके एग्जाम्पल है, कार्निवोर्स के. And then there are animals that eat little bit of everything, plants, grains and even flesh. And bachcho, we have some type of animals that eats little bit of everything. For example, grass, grains, other animals. We call them as omnivores. Humans are actually omnivores. Some animals like to eat tiny creatures like insects and worms. Can you guess which animals do this? बच्चों, क्या पूछ रहे हैं हमसे यहाँ पे कि कुछ एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे टाइनी एनिमल्स को खाते हैं, जैसे कि इंसेक्ट्स एंड वर्म्स. एंड कैन वी गेस कि कौन से एनिमल्स ऐसा करते हैं? बच्चों, फ्रॉग, स्पाइडर, lizard and crow. They like to munch on small bugs and worms. बच्चों, they like to eat small worms and bugs. Now we have animals need homes. Just like we need home to feel safe and cozy, animals need homes too. बच्चों, हमारी तरह ही जैसे हम लोगों को घर चाहिए होता है so that we can feel safe, we can feel warm. So similarly, उसी तरीके से animals also need home. They need a place to hide from bad weather, predators and to keep their babies safe. Now बच्चों, they also need a place जहाँ पे वो एक bad weather से बच सके, अपने predator से बच सके, and they should also keep their babies safe. Some animals find home in nature, like बच्चों, elephants live in forest, monkeys live in tree, fish in the water, lions in their den. So बच्चों, इन animals ने क्या किया है? They have find their homes in the nature only. Now let's see an amazing fact. Octopuses hide in small caves or under rocks in the ocean. बच्चों, octopus कहाँ पे छुपते हैं? They hide in small caves or under rocks in the ocean. They sometimes decorate their homes with shells and shiny objects. And now see how creative they are. They also decorate their homes with shells and shiny objects. बच्चों, but some animals are great builders. They make their own homes using, तो बच्चों, we have those animals that can make their own homes, and they make their own homes by using some of the materials, for example twigs, straw and leaves. तो बच्चों, twigs, straw and leaves की हेल्प से बर्ड क्या करती है? अपने नेस्ट बनाती है. देन बच्चों, वैक्स की हेल्प से बी क्या करती है? बी हाइव्स बनाती है. Then digging in the ground, and बच्चों rabbits क्या करते हैं? By digging in the ground they make deep burrows. We provide homes for some animals that live with us on farms, and बच्चों even humans provide home to some animals that live near their farms. For example, kennels for dogs, coops for hens, sheds for cow, and aquariums for fish. Now बच्चों, let's quickly revise. Animals need food to survive and they eat different types of food. Some animals वो क्या खाते हैं? They eat insects and worms. Animals need homes ताकि वो feel कर सके safe and to protect themselves. Animals can be found in nature or are built by themselves. Humans provided homes for some animals, for example, kennels for dogs. So बच्चों, this completes our chapter. I hope आप सबको ये chapter समझ आया होगा. I'll meet you in the next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.